Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to International Islamic University School Sahiwal online lecture. This lesson is for grade pre-9 for the subject of English and unit number 2, and the topic is tenses. Today we will learn about present and past tense. In this lesson, we will learn about the present and past tense with clear example and practical tips for success. Before starting the lesson, dear student, please read the instruction to prepare for your lecture. Get the material, keep your textbook and notebook and stationery along with you. Prepare your page with today's date and day. Stay focused, listen carefully to your teacher and follow her direction. Listen to the lesson when paused and follow accordingly to understand each part clearly. Listen repeatedly for better understanding and ask question if you find any difficulty. Basically, be prepared, pay attention and ask question later if needed. So, I am gonna talk about present indefinite tense. This is the most simplest tense in all other tenses. This tense is used for a habitual and repeated action, for universal truth, proverbs, etc. Habitual action mean something you do regularly or often. For example, I eat breakfast at 8 a.m. She goes to school. This tense shows the regularity of action. Universal truth, something that's always true or a general fact. For example, the sun rises in the east. The sun set in the west. This is the universal truth. The earth revolves around the sun. And the fact is, water boils at 100 Celsius. Here is a sentence structure of present indefinite tense. Subject, first form of verb by plus s, es, and object. The first form of the verb is used in this tense when the subject is singular noun or a third person. Now I'm gonna explain you the rule of adding s or es in present tense. In simple present tense, we add s or es to the verb when the subject is she, he, it, or a singular noun. For example, he walks, she talks, she watches, she goes. All these are examples of simple present indefinite tense. The next one is negative sentence. Negative sentences used to deny or negate habits, routine, or general truth. Its sentence structure is subject, do does, plus not, and first form of verb. Interrogative Interrogative sentences used to ask questions about habits, routine, and general truth. Its sentence structure is also very simple and easy. Do does, subject, and first form of verb. So here is some example of present simple, present negative, and interrogative tense. I go to school every day. She eat breakfast at 8 a.m. So in this examples show the routine and habitual action. Words, there is some words that often indicate simple present tense, like always, usually, often, sometime, rarely, never, every day, every week, every month, Monday, on Tuesday, etc. They don't watch TV in the morning. He does not eat meat. So he is a singular subject, so we add es in it. Interrogative, do you play football? Does she like coffee? Do you know we write first letter capital in interrogative sentences and end with interrogation mark. We use question mark in the end of this tense. So our next topic is past indefinite tense. Past indefinite tense describes actions that were completed in the past. These actions happened and finished at a specific time. Past tense is also known as narrative tense because they are used to tell a story about the past. To move forward to the past, we usually just give it a tail, the letter ed. For example, today I walk, yesterday I walked. Do you hear the D sound at the end? Next, its sentence structure is quite simple. Subject and second form of verb. Second form of verb is used to form the simple past tense because it indicates a completed action in the past. The next sentence structure of negative sentences. Subject plus did not plus first form of verb. Did not is already second form of verb, so we use first form of verb. Negative tense used to deny completed action in the past. For example, I do not watch the movie. And interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence used to ask question about completed action in the past. Its sentence structure is did is used in the beginning of the sentence and then first form of the verb is used after subject. For example, do I go to the park? Dear student, do you know about regular verb and irregular verb? Basically, regular verbs form the past tense by adding ed or d to the base form. For example, walk by adding ed in it, it become walked. Irregular verbs change spelling entirely. For example, go, went, eat, ate. Mostly past tense words end in two letters, ed and d. Regular verb is easier because you just add ed in it. And irregular verbs are extremely old. There is some example of negative tense. I do not watch the movie. So we add did. This is already second form of verb. Did is the irregular verb of do. So we used watch, which is first form of verb in it. They did not attend the meeting. She did not call you yesterday. The word did stay the same for all subject and the verb is returned to its base form, which is first form of verb. Question with did. So interrogative sentences of past tense. Did. Did you go to Karachi? She call you? Did they watch the movie? In this tense, the verb stay in its base form when we use did at the beginning of the question. Dear student, I hope you got it about present indefinite and past indefinite tense. So do does for present question and did for past question with base form of verb. This is your homework diary. Do practice of present and past tense. Write 10 sentences of each tense on your notebook. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.